Okay, I kind of goofed around in here trying to make this look a little weird, and I'm looking at the head, the neck rotation actually. Okay, let's hope my Blender hotkeys don't interfere with my Maya hotkeys. But here's what I have. Okay, I basically did this little jog up and down, and it's like a hiccup. The goal is for you to have your curves to look more like this. Okay, this is another version of it. Here's the rotate, to have just smooth and follow the path. Okay, follow the path here. Even at the end, I want to rotate it in that flow. Okay, so that's what I want to have. So I just kind of mess around in here on purpose. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to be in rotate, E. We're going to start here. So I'm going to go down, and let me try to figure a way to have both screens working here. This is something like this, maybe this one. Let's see if we can bring this up a bit. Okay, so I'm squashing, basically preparing anticipation, and I want to go up, right? And I want to use my chest and my neck to lift me up. Okay, so if that's the case, maybe here, this is like one of my high points. I can basically do that. So that's like rocket, right? Now look what that did to my curve. Okay, so I'm going to hit F here. Beautiful. So this is the key here, right there. Okay. As I said in the ball bounce, keep your skis on the mountain, not inside the mountain, because you're going to be tripping over. So if you get a lot of stuff like that, you want to avoid it. Okay. So this looks okay to me. I may want to go further back. I may just want to go something like that. So look, it went down. So the goal is to make this whole curve to be continuous and not undulate up and down like that. Okay. That's our goal. So if I follow that up, I think frame 17. Okay, so something here, and then look, there's a bob in here, right? So there's something going on right there. So hit F. I'm going to hold Alt or Option, and I'm going to kind of do this, okay? So when I'm in the air, obviously at some point I'm going to be looking ahead, right? So these things need to be kind of fixed, right? See, there's like little bob here. Okay. So even if he's doing this, coming down, okay? So I'm looking ahead, boom, and then I want to come back. So I may just want to hold here a little more, okay? So let me just see here. Can I bring this down a touch? Yeah, like that, see? So I'm just kind of, well, too much, something like that. That's not bad. I'll go to the next frame by pressing period. Maybe this is going this way. And then let me just keep going through my keys. Here I'm looking straight down, and I don't want to do that. I want to look ahead, right? So let's see how that works. Is it this way? Nope, the other way. So this needs to come like that. Okay, good. So somewhere here. So the question is, between here and here, is this okay? So I just go like that. I may want to come down like that. Or I may want to come down here like this. Something like that. Here. So I don't want any flat lines, okay? Flat is not a good idea in an action sequence like this, in movement. I may just kind of overshoot here, just kind of let it come down a bit. Okay, so we're gonna go boom, boom here. I'm gonna bring this maybe like that. So now I'm trying to make this path to go up that way. Go to the next one. What does this do if I go up a bit? Okay, there. It's not so much. Okay, that's not bad, right there. Go to the next one. This is already flatlining, so I may want to just kind of do something like this. Boom. And then kind of subtle in here. And then go to the next one. Maybe bring this down a bit. Am I pressing? Something like this. Rotate this coming downwards. And then I'll take this one over here just a bit like that. So what I want to do is continue this path, okay? So that's the start. So here, go in the direction of the flow, like that. Next one, boom, here, I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of an overshoot, like this. So my skis are gonna get ready to take off the mountain. Here, it's gonna stay on the mountain. I may just do this. Okay, there. And then here, holding shift and middle scroll to go, I have to be in move here. Sorry, that's why I wasn't moving. So you have to be in move to be able to move in here. You can see I was in rotate. That wasn't going to work inside the graph editor. So let's go to the beginning. Go to the next frame. Boom. I'm looking down. I don't think I want to go that far down. So what does this do here? So let's go up. So I may just kind of go like this. Okay, cool. So if this is the direction, I may just take this one and rotate it that way. Boom, go to the next one. What is this gonna do? Go like this. It's a little fast, Balian. Boom, here. And I may just kind of come down here. Yeah, I'm really exaggerating the movement, okay? I'm exaggerating it. So look, something like that. Okay, there. And then come back. Again, I'm making a marquee with my left and then just kind of doing this. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll try to keep my skis on the mountain. You as well, dude, like that. Okay, so there. So now this is going in the right direction. So there's like a curve going this way over. So we've got a nice simplified curve. So go back here. I want to see if this is okay. Maybe this one goes like that one. If I do that, because there's a little hiccup here, I need to go to the next frame. Maybe bring both these guys up. Yeah, like that. Okay, something like that. Sweet. Whoops. I'll leave this one alone, like that. Here, a little up. So now there you go. I'm making this path. Here again, I'll bring this one up to line it up. Line it up. That. Kind of okay. Okay. So that's the idea. So we got this nice flow of coming down, and this is a little off here, I can tell. There. This all working out. All right. This one, follow the path like that. Here, stay on the mountain if I can. If it's below the mountain, I just kind of up. I need to go to that frame and just bring this up a touch. Okay, so let's watch it now. Yeah, so it goes up, comes down, it settles. Okay, so this is a decent arc. So this whole movement is looking pretty sweet for me. So I know this is very advanced stuff, but if you want to take your animations to the next level, you need to come in and dig in here, because we're not animating on singles or twos. We are animating our key poses and making sure our arcs work, okay? I did a similar demo with this one here. If I press rotate here, and I'll look at the Z, see there's some hiccups here, so I need to kind of fix that arc as well. And if I do that, like, you know what I mean? So I gotta make this come down without the straight line. The straight line is really not good in animation, okay? That's like a hold. We're not doing a hold in midair as the character's coming up and down. Okay, so the goal of this was not the arm, it was here, was the neck, okay? So if you look here, that's a clean graphic. This curve is nice and clean. That's the whole point, okay? Thank you. Balian out.